Hello guys, it's your friend N Martech Electrical. It's time to be proud of yourself as an electrical engineering student, an electrical engineer, an electrician, or a lover of electrical technology. If you're an electrical engineer studying to become one, or you just get excited seeing wires, sparks, and toolboxes, congratulations, you're part of a legendary gang. I will be doing 3 things in this video. 1. To let the world know why electrical engineering is highly lucrative. 2. To let the world know the different ways to make money as an electrical engineer. 3. To guide viewers through the career path of electrical engineering. That is to know what is involved, what is required, and everything surrounding the profession. Because let's be real, without electrical engineers, this world would be one big candlelit dinner. So today, we're diving into how to make money as an electrical engineer. Not just the usual 9-to-5 stuff, but real practical ways to earn, grow, and maybe even retire early if you play your cards right. Section 1. Why electrical engineering is lucrative. Now, first of all, is electrical engineering lucrative? Yes. Think about it. Electricity is everywhere, from power grids to your phone charger, from that fancy electric car to the fridge holding your leftover jollof rice. It's all electrical engineering. And guess what? Every time the world upgrades, whether it's renewable energy, smart homes, or industrial automation, someone has to wire it all together. And that someone could be you. And unlike some careers that come and go, electricity isn't going out of fashion anytime soon. Unless we all move into caves again. When your cloth gets torn, you can try hand stitching. When you fall sick, you can try first aid. But when there's an electrical issue, everyone is afraid. And you know, fear is good for business. Because electricity kills, 7 out of 10 people would run away from electrical problems. So literally, they have to pay for their lives. We are heroes, men are born equal, but only a few become electrical engineers. Ways to make money as an electrical engineer. Let's break it down. There are many ways to cash out with your electrical engineering skills. Here are some of the best. A. Traditional employment. This is the regular route. You get hired by utility companies like EEDC for my Naija people, oil and gas companies, construction firms, telecoms, or government agencies. Salary depends on your country, but it can be very comfortable, and with time, promotions, and certifications, you rise fast. B. Freelancing contract jobs. Now let's say you love freedom and don't want to clock in every morning. Freelancing might be your thing. Install solar panels, wire buildings, rewind motors, design electrical panels, or do control systems for generators. People always need electrical work, especially reliable ones. Be that person. The one who shows up with tools, confidence, and no fear of current. C. Online income. Yes, it's real. Who says engineers can't be creators? You can make YouTube videos, like this one, teach online, or create a digital course on how to wire a 3-phase panel. People are searching for this stuff. Also, write an ebook or sell templates like wiring diagrams or troubleshooting guides. The internet is not just for watching cat videos and TikTok dances. Use it to build wealth. D. Private practice and business. You can start your own electrical services company. Offer home wiring, generator services, inverter solar installations, or even open a shop that sells electrical parts. And here's the good part. If you do great work, your customers will do the marketing for you. Word of mouth is like gold in this business. E. Consulting. After some years of experience, become a certified consultant. Businesses will pay you to tell them what to do, and you won't even need to touch a single cable. Just say, after careful analysis, I recommend installing surge protection and rebalancing the load. And boom, you're getting paid. F. Teaching, mentoring. And finally, pass the knowledge on. Become a part-time lecturer, start an online mentorship group, or tutor students. You'll be surprised how fulfilling and profitable this can be. Plus, teaching helps you understand your own field better. Now, if you're enjoying this and you really want a clear roadmap to succeed as an electrical engineer, whether you're just starting out or you're already on the job, then I've got something special for you. It's my book, titled Electrical Engineering Career. This book is like your friendly guide to the engineering world. I cover career paths, certifications, business ideas, income strategies, and most importantly, how to grow without getting stuck. So if you want to stop guessing and start winning, click the link in the description and grab your copy. Your future self will thank you. Alright fam, I hope this video gave you clarity, and maybe even a laugh or two. Electrical engineers are not just people with multimeters and tool belts. We're problem solvers, creators, and money makers. So whether you're still a student just starting out or years in already, don't stop learning and don't forget your value. If you liked this video, hit that like button, subscribe for more content like this, and share it with someone who needs to hear this.